Hello everyone, so I am back with another video about the top 5 best outdoor security camera you can buy on Amazon. Subscribing to our channel and pressing the bell icon will give you access to more interesting videos. The following list is based on my personal opinion and research, and is ranked based on quality, features and pricing. Check out the links in the description below for updated pricing and more information on the products mentioned. Imagine a world where your home is protected by vigilant guardians, ensuring your safety around the clock. Studies have shown that homes equipped with security cameras are up to 300% safer from break-ins than those without. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 outdoor security cameras that can transform your home's safety. Remember, you can find links to these products in the description below. A video guide has been prepared to help you choose the top 5 best outdoor security camera. Let's begin. On number 5 is AOSU 2K QHD Security. Imagine a security camera that not only offers crystal clear 2K QHD footage but also eliminates monthly fees, ensuring your privacy remains intact. Enter the AOSU 2K QHD Security Camera, a game-changer in home surveillance. With its built-in 32GB storage, you can store up to 2 months of recordings without any additional costs. The expansive 166° ultra-wide lens ensures no corner of your property goes unnoticed, rivaling top contenders like the Arlo Pro 5S 2K and TP-Link Tapo C310. Its self-sustaining solar power means just 2 hours of sunlight daily keeps it running year-round, making it both eco-friendly and cost-effective. Users have praised its exceptional image quality and ease of setup. However, some have noted that the initial investment is higher compared to other models. Priced at $349.99, the AOSU 2K QHD Security Camera offers a comprehensive security solution without the burden of ongoing fees. On number 4 is SYMYNELEC WAY-TALK IP65. Imagine transforming your home security with a device that not only offers sharp 2K resolution but also boasts a 5,200 mAh rechargeable battery, ensuring months of surveillance on a single charge. The SYMYNELEC WAY-TALK IP65 outdoor security camera is designed to provide peace of mind without the hassle of frequent maintenance. Its IP65 waterproof rating means it stands resilient against harsh weather conditions, making it a reliable guardian for your property. The camera's AI motion detection, combined with PIR heat sensing and human detection capabilities, significantly reduces false alarms, ensuring you are alerted only to genuine threats. With features like two-way talk and color night vision, you can interact in real time and monitor your surroundings clearly, even in low-light conditions. Priced at an affordable $49.99, the SYMYNELEC WAY-TALK IP65 offers a comprehensive security solution that rivals some of the top outdoor security cameras on the market. Its user-friendly app interface and straightforward installation process make it accessible for both tech-savvy users and beginners alike. However, it's worth noting that the camera operates exclusively on a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, which might be a limitation for some users. Overall, this camera delivers exceptional value, combining advanced features with durability to keep your home secure. On number 3 is ANNKE 3K Lite E200. Imagine a security system that not only captures clear footage but also distinguishes between humans and vehicles, ensuring you receive relevant alerts. Enter the ANNKE 3K Lite E200, a comprehensive surveillance solution that stands tall among the top outdoor security cameras. Its AI motion detection 2.0 technology minimizes false alarms by accurately identifying human and vehicle movements. The system includes an 8-channel 3K Lite DVR and 1080p wired cameras, offering flexibility for future expansion. With a pre-installed 1TB surveillance-grade hard drive, it ensures 24/7 continuous recording, utilizing H.265+ compression to optimize storage without compromising video quality. The Smart Dual Light feature provides crisp full-color night vision, automatically switching modes upon detecting intruders and sending instant alerts to your device. The cameras boast an IP67 weatherproof rating, ensuring durability in various weather conditions. While the system offers extensive features, it requires a wired setup, which might be a consideration for those seeking wireless solutions. Priced at $259.99, the ANNKE 3K Lite E200 delivers robust security features, making it a worthy contender among the best outdoor security cameras. On number 2 is SEhMUA PIR Alarm. Imagine a security camera that not only watches over your home but also actively deters potential intruders. The SEhMUA PIR Alarm is designed to do just that, combining advanced features to provide comprehensive protection. Equipped with a removable solar panel and rechargeable battery, this camera ensures continuous operation, harnessing solar energy for a sustainable power solution. Its panoramic view, achieved through pan and tilt controls, allows you to monitor every angle of your property, leaving no blind spots. The 2K Full HD resolution delivers crystal clear footage, while the powerful white spotlight and built-in infrared LEDs ensure vivid, full-color night vision, so you never miss a detail, day or night. Installation is a breeze, thanks to its compact design and versatile mounting options, enabling setup in just minutes. The camera's AI motion detection, combined with PIR heat sensing and human detection, minimizes false alarms by accurately identifying human movement. With two-way audio, you can communicate directly through the camera, adding an extra layer of security. At a price point of $99.99, the SEhMUA PIR Alarm offers a robust and intelligent security solution for any home. Now moving to the last one is AOSU 2 CamKit. Imagine a security system that not only safeguards your home but also offers a seamless, subscription-free experience. The AOSU 2 CamKit does just that, providing crystal-clear 2K QHD video and a 166 degrees ultra-wide field of view, ensuring no detail goes unnoticed. Its innovative cross-camera tracking links related events across multiple cameras, simplifying event reviews. The system's solar-powered design means continuous operation with just 2 hours of sunlight daily, eliminating battery concerns. With the Homebase's built-in 32GB storage, enjoy up to 4 months of loop recording without monthly fees, keeping your data private and accessible. Real-time monitoring of up to 4 cameras and instant activity alerts keep you connected to your property's status. While the initial investment is $249.99, the long-term savings and comprehensive features make it a standout choice among top outdoor security cameras. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best outdoor security camera. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button, tell us in the comment section about which one you like the most, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.